Hey, what's up guys? So today in this video I'm going to show you how to download Pubg Lite game. So I'm Shafi, you're watching Chef Technique channel. Without wasting any more time, let's get started. So guys, first you must have an internet connection, and after that open your Chrome browser, and after opening just type PUBG PUBG Lite APK download. And after that here you can see the first link APK Pure, so tap on it, and after tapping on it here you can see download X APK, so tap on it, and after that here you can see the PUBG game is going to download, but I am not downloading it because I have downloaded before. And here you can see PUBG Mobile Lite, so I have downloaded, so you can download it using it. And after that go to Play Store, and after going to the Play Store type Jet Achiever, download Jet Achiever app, and after that open your Jet Achiever, and after opening the Jet Achiever scroll down, and here you can see download, so tap on download, and down here you can see PUBG Lite X APK, so tap on it and tap on extract. So after tapping on the extract, so go back and go to device memory, and select Android and tap on this green icon. Now here you can see the PUBG Lite X APK is extracting, so let's wait until it's extract. So guys, it was extracted successfully. So after that here you can see com.tencent.lite.apk, so tap on it, and after tapping on it tap on OK, open and install. So here you can see PUBG Mobile Lite was installing. Let's wait until it's installed. And the PUBG Mobile Lite was scanning, so let's see. And the app is safe. So guys, after that don't open the PUBG Lite game, so just tap on done. After that here you can see a folder called Android. After Android here you can see OBB, so tap on OBB, and here you can see the PUBG Lite file, so tap on copy and go to device memory and tap on Android and tap on OBB and paste it. And here you can see that first copying, so let's wait until it copy. So guys, it was completed successfully, and here you can see down here we have 217 MB. So after that close it and open your PUBG Lite game. So guys, here you can see starting PUBG Mobile Lite. So guys, here you can see it was a simple. So guys, PUBG Lite game was awesome. So I was played and I was uninstalled to make a video so that you will be download. And here you can see starting PUBG Lite. So let's wait 5 seconds so that you will get. And here you can see PUBG Corporation. So guys, play PUBG Lite game and enjoy as you want. So that's it in this video. I hope you like that. If you like this video, then hit the like button and share this video to all. If you have any doubt, then comment me in the comment section below. And thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Jai Hind.